What a mess. Hello and thanks for joining me. Well, I get a lot of comments about how well organized my shop is, and in some respects it is. My nuts and bolts and washers and some of the supplies are organized real well, but places like this really bother me. There's no organization to that. A lot of times I'll look at it and it says type A. Oh, what kind of oil is, what is that used for? And I have to look it up or think about it. So I'm going to get some kind of organization there. Anyway, follow me and we'll get started. I might need 3 hands here. Well, that looks a little better. Maybe now when I go for cutting fluid, I can just grab that bottle and put it back when I get done, maybe. Anyway, looks good for now. That about wraps it up. Thanks for joining me, and be sure and subscribe and ring that bell.